I need to warn you about something before we start. What we're about to do together, it's going to shift things so powerfully that they might actually show up at your door, crying, begging, pleading for another chance. And I'm not responsible for what happens after that. I'm Amanda Hicks, and I've been a manifestation coach for over 8 years now. I've seen this work hundreds of times, and every single time, it's intense. Because when someone who's been distant, who's been cold, who's been acting like they don't care, when they suddenly can't stop thinking about you, when they suddenly realize what they lost, they don't play it cool. They break. So if you're not ready for that, if you're not ready for them to completely change how they've been treating you, maybe skip this one. But if you're ready, if you've had enough of the silence and the games and the wondering, stay with me, because we're about to change everything. But first, I need to know something from you. What's the one thing they did that hurt the most? Was it the ghosting, the broken promises, the way they made you feel like you didn't matter? Type one word in the comments. Just one. The feeling it left you with. Betrayed, abandoned, invisible, whatever it is. Because what we're about to do is going to heal that and turn it into something completely different. Look, I know you've been through a lot with this person. Maybe they made promises and broke them. Maybe they showed up one day and disappeared the next. Maybe they made you feel like you were the problem, and you've probably spent so much time wondering what you did wrong, replaying conversations in your head, trying to figure out how to get them back. But here's what you need to understand. None of that matters anymore, because what we're about to do doesn't require you to be perfect. It doesn't require you to say the right thing or be the right person. It just requires you to step into a version of reality where they see you differently, where they feel you differently, where suddenly they can't breathe without thinking about you. I've guided thousands of people through this, and the stories I get back, they're almost identical. He showed up at my apartment crying. She called me at 2 a.m. saying she made the biggest mistake of her life. They said they can't eat, can't sleep, can't function without me. That's not exaggeration. That's what happens when you do this right. So let's do this together. Here's what I need you to do. Find a quiet space, turn off distractions, put your phone on silent. For the next several minutes, you're going to be completely present. No multitasking, no half listening. Because this isn't just a visualization. This is a reprogramming of your energy, of your reality, of how they see you. Now, I want you to let go of something before we start. Let go of any doubt that this can work. Let go of any bitterness you're holding. Let go of the story you've been telling yourself about why they don't want you. Because that story, it's old, it's done. We're about to write a new one. Close your eyes. Or if you can't, just soften your gaze. Let everything else fade away. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for 3 seconds and release it slowly through your mouth. Do that again. In, hold, and out. One more time. In, hold, and out. Feel your body start to relax. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel the tension in your jaw release. You're safe. You're exactly where you need to be. Now, I want you to picture yourself somewhere you feel completely at peace. Maybe it's your bedroom. Maybe it's a place from your past where you felt safe and loved. Maybe it's somewhere you've only imagined. See yourself there. Feel the space around you. Notice the details, the colors, the light, the feeling in the air. You're calm, you're centered. You're not waiting for anything. You're just here. And then you sense them. Before you even see them, you feel their presence. that familiar energy that you'd recognize anywhere. You look up, and there they are, standing in front of you, looking at you in a way they haven't looked at you in a long time, maybe ever. Their face, it's different than usual, softer, vulnerable, open. Look into their eyes right now, really see them, and notice something. Their eyes are full of emotion, full of longing, full of regret. They take a step closer to you, and you can see it now. They've been crying, or they're about to. Their voice cracks when they try to speak. They start, then stop, because they don't know how to say what they need to say. But you can feel it radiating off them, this desperate need to be close to you, to fix what's broken, to have you back in their life. Watch them struggle to find the words. I can't do this anymore, they finally say. I can't pretend I don't need you. I can't act like I'm fine without you. Hear their voice, the specific tone they use, the way they say your name. Every single day since you've been gone, I think about you. Every morning when I wake up, every night before I sleep. You're all I think about. Feel what that does to your chest, that validation, that knowing you were right all along. I made a mistake, they say, and their voice is breaking now. I was stupid. I was scared. I didn't realize what I had until it was gone. Watch them. See the tears forming in their eyes. Please, they whisper. Please give me another chance. I'm begging you. And they are. They're literally begging. This person who acted like they didn't need you, who made you feel small, who made you wonder if you even mattered. They're on their knees right now. Not metaphorically, actually on their knees, looking up at you with tears streaming down their face. I can't live without you, they say. I tried. I really tried. But I can't breathe without you. I can't function. I can't be happy. Nothing means anything if you're not in my life. Let those words wash over you. Really let them in. I'm pleading with you, they continue. From the bottom of my heart, from the deepest part of my soul, I need you. Not want, need. See their hands reaching for yours, shaking slightly because they're so desperate for your touch. Tell me what to do, they beg. Tell me how to fix this. Tell me how to prove to you that I mean this, that I'm serious, that I'm never walking away again. Take a moment, just breathe and watch them. This person who hurt you, who made you cry, who made you feel like you weren't enough, they're completely broken right now, because they finally see what they lost. I'll do anything, they say. I'll change. I'll be better. I'll show up every single day and prove to you that you're the most important thing in my life. Hear the desperation in their voice, the raw honesty, the complete surrender. I love you, they say, and they're sobbing now. I love you so much it hurts, and I was too scared to admit it before, too proud, too stupid. But I'm not scared anymore. I don't care about pride. I only care about you, about us, about having you back in my life. Feel their energy, their need, their absolute certainty that you're the only person they want. Please don't shut me out, they beg. Please don't walk away. I know I hurt you. I know I don't deserve another chance. But I'm asking anyway. I'm begging. Now, this is your moment. What do you want to say to them? What do you need to hear from them? Maybe you need them to apologize for something specific. Say it now. Hear them apologize. Maybe you need them to promise something. Hear them promise it. Maybe you just need them to hold you. Feel their arms around you right now. Take as much time as you need. Have this conversation. Say everything you've been holding back. Good. Now feel what it's like to have them back. Not the version of them who was distant and cold, The version who sees you, who values you, who chooses you every single day. Feel their hand in yours. Feel their forehead against yours. Feel them breathing with you. This is real. This is happening. Not in some distant future. Right now, in this moment, they're yours and you're theirs. And they're never letting go again. Take one more deep breath together, in and out. Feel how right this is, how this is what was always supposed to happen. Now, I need you to do something important. Lock this feeling in. Memorize it. The weight of their hand in yours. The sound of their voice when they said they love you. The look in their eyes. Because this isn't just imagination. This is a blueprint, a template, a new reality that's about to become physical. Take one final deep breath, in and out. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. I know that probably felt intense, maybe even overwhelming, but that's exactly what you needed. To feel what it's like to be chosen, to be begged for, to be valued the way you deserve. Because here's the thing most people don't understand. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what you vividly experience in your mind and what happens in the physical world. So as far as your subconscious is concerned, that just happened. They just broke down in front of you. They just begged for you. They just chose you. And now your energy is going to shift to match that reality. You're not going to show up desperate anymore. You're not going to show up anxious. You're going to show up like someone who knows their worth, who knows they're wanted, who knows they're the prize. And they're going to feel that shift, even if they're miles away, even if you haven't talked in weeks. They're going to feel you pull away energetically, and it's going to drive them crazy. Now, I want you to do something for me. Come back and do this visualization every day for the next 28 days. A full lunar cycle. Even when they start reaching out, even when they start changing, keep doing it. Because this isn't just about getting them back. This is about rewiring how you see yourself, how you show up in the world. If this shifted something for you, hit that like button. It tells me you're ready for this to be real. And subscribe if you haven't already. Because when they do come back, and they will, you're going to want access to the next video on what to do when they finally show up. Turn on notifications too, so you don't miss it. And I have a membership where I go even deeper into this, where I share visualizations and techniques I can't share publicly, where there's a whole community of people who've done this and gotten their person back. If you're serious about this and you don't join, honestly, you're just making it harder on yourself. I'm not trying to pressure you. I'm just being real about what works. And when they reach out, when they show up at your door or call you crying or text you at 2 a.m., come back here and tell me about it. I'll be here, celebrating with you. Remember, you just planted a seed, a powerful, undeniable seed in the deepest part of your consciousness. You felt what it's like to be chosen, to be wanted, to be begged for. And that feeling, it's going to radiate out of you now, in everything you do, in how you walk, how you talk, how you exist in the world. And they're going to feel it, and they won't be able to stay away. Trust this. Trust yourself. Trust what you just experienced. They're coming. And when they do, you'll be ready. I'll see you in the next video.